Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple garlic bread at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a fresh loaf of bread, like a baguette or Italian loaf, about 4 cloves of fresh garlic and some unsalted butter. We'll also use a touch of fresh parsley and a pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you create delicious garlic bread with minimal fuss. Let's get started. Now let's create that aromatic garlic butter. Take about 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and make sure it's nicely softened. Mince 4 cloves of fresh garlic very finely. You want tiny pieces for even flavor distribution. In a small bowl, combine the softened butter with the minced garlic. Stir in 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley and a small pinch of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until it's well combined and fragrant. This mixture is the heart of our delicious garlic bread. With our garlic butter ready, it's time to assemble. Take your loaf of bread and slice it lengthwise, but don't cut all the way through. Leave the bottom crust intact. This creates a hinge. Now, generously spread the garlic butter mixture over both cut surfaces of the bread. Ensure an even coating for maximum flavor in every bite. Place the buttered bread on a baking sheet. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, or until it's golden brown and fragrant. Your homemade garlic bread is now ready. Carefully remove it from the oven. The aroma filling your kitchen is just incredible. Slice the warm loaf into 1-inch thick pieces, perfect for sharing or enjoying all by yourself. Serve it immediately as a fantastic side dish with pasta, soup, or as a delightful appetizer. It's so simple, yet so incredibly satisfying. And hey, while you're enjoying your delicious meal, why not let a robot handle the cleanup? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.